My name is Blacky, and here's an intro to my photography. 1983, 1992, Rally at Canberra, 1993, Rally at Canberra, then Rally Australia, Rally at Canberra, Rally Australia again with my old mate. And that's when life changed totally. My wife and I got married and moved to Perth, and we're still married today. More into the ARC, 1995, 1996, Rock at Mountain, 97, New Zealand, and 99, I went to see my sister in England get married, and Rally of Finland back in, that was awesome. 2000, a picture that changed our lives and sent us back to Sydney. 2002, World Champions, Australian Champions. 2003, more stuff for Toyota, which was a theme. And then State Rally, New Zealand. I love New Zealand. Valentino made an appearance in my life. That was an experience and a half. And then more WRC, more New South Wales Championship, some open world stuff.
Oh yeah.
Video experience. But in the middle of all this was the real adventure, which is family. Wife, kids, a girl and a boy, and a wonderful time of my life. And then the opportunity to do more WRC things. 2014 with my old mate Jezza, some cheering drunkards, Robert Kubica, and then Seb Auger and a whole lot of others. More experiments. And one of my GoPros to a guy just beside the road. I was doing some of my own rallying as well. Here's an example of a zero car and... sorry, Skippy. All this video experimentation was leading into an opportunity that was going to change my direction totally. 2016, recorded some stuff for a mate and basically been doing it ever since to this day, 2025. There's some examples of some of our work. We've had a lot of fun doing it, but there was some more photography to do. WRC was still coming to Australia, but that was soon to end, unfortunately. There was still outside interest in photography, doing bits and pieces when I was on holidays. Experimentation still's always a big part of my life, and getting out and having adventures. Something different, something always to do, and there we go, mountain biking myself in a race, 100k on a mountain bike, you know you're alive by the end of that. But then something was going to happen that was going to change my life direction. A mate of mine, my best mate, was diagnosed with MDS, and decided it was time to really get out and do what I had to do. 2022 saw me go to Finland with another great mate of mine. That was one heck of a trip, opened my eyes. And I bought a drone, which was different again. So another direction change. Or really, just another passion to follow. Not that I didn't have enough already. But it was great fun, and to this day, I'm still doing it. I mean, take a look at that. I've never been to the desert before, and time I'd shot this, which was the third day on the road to Alice Springs, I couldn't wait to go back, and we hadn't even finished that trip yet. This trip also involves some mucking around with GoPros, which obviously I've been doing for a while yet, but I love this. Just near the airport, just wait for it. But never been able to walk away from still cameras. You can still have a lot of fun. Take a look at it, there's nothing like it. After this came another desert adventure, this time to Wentworth on the Victoria, New South Wales and South Australian border. This is the confluence, and more different stuff to shoot with a drone. It's just an incredible country, this one that we live in, Australia. I love it. So that's my story. Well, it's really not. There's more of it to come. There's so much more of it to come. I've been filming and scheming and thinking about doing this for a while, but now it's definitely time. Come with me, Blacky, on the adventure of life in Australia, chasing cars and people and family and fun, and four drives, and here's an idea. Come on the adventure with me. It'll be fun.